So, Roger, you might be aware that when it comes to medical software development, we need to go through a lot of compliance with standards, software standards like CEI 62304 or FDA standard. We know that we do this job for our customers. It's about how to design the requirements, then apply those requirements to architecture design, how you trace the code implementation from the architecture to the implementation, how you test that, how you document that. It's a lot of, I would say, overhead compared to other project development. So how you guys can help a customer or Witekio navigating in those compliance challenges?
Yeah, you know, when I first joined the company, this is actually my 7th anniversary. When I first joined the company 7 years ago, I got into the product and actually interviewed our customers and some of the biggest customers you can imagine that we work with, and said, what is the product missing? And it was really a great product, and you know, a great tool set and everything. So our motto was, you know, get to market faster. But in medical, it's not just development. We can have you develop as fast as lightning, but then you hit that bottleneck of the certifications and the regulatory processes, not just in the FDA and the EU, but worldwide. Everything has a little different. So how do we help you get to market faster beyond that? And so with 62304, Qt is a software of unknown provenance, soup. So there are requirements that we have to have transparency for our customers. So providing them with, you know, the quality policy and the testing and validation and verification of Qt. And you know, we have so much documentation. For us, it's kind of an a la carte concierge service we provide. It's not me dumping a bunch of documentation on you, but it's me saying, well, what specifically are you being asked, either from your internal processes and building your dossier, or what you're being audited with from, you know, either ISO, you know, or you know, the FDA or the EU or anyone else. And so, you know, when we have that request, we provide the specific documentation. And that's important because I always, you know, equate it to getting a mortgage for your house, and the bank asks for 2 months of pay stubs. You don't give them 2 years, right? Because then you open up Pandora's box and they've got more questions and it's a longer process. So we would be very surgical, no pun intended in the medical industry, to say we're going to give you exactly what you want. And knowing this is an iterative process, that they may come back and go, okay, this was reviewed, now we need this information. So we're going to stay with the customer along the journey, provide that transparency, and with that transparency and understanding the industry becomes credibility and trust, and that's why our customers love us. And then, you know, in hand with the services that Witekio provides, I mean, it's a great complement, and we're really servicing our partners, our customers the right way.